So it is time again for another DAX Fridays, yay! In today's DAX Fridays, we're going to go through a function that I didn't know existed. Perhaps you know if you had the need for it. I had no clue. So why am I reviewing it? I just went through the list of DAX functions and I said, oh, that looks interesting. Sine, what does that do? Well, let's find out, right? Just in a second. Okay, so welcome back. This is Ruth Pascuala from Curbal.com, and today we're going to go through a function called sine. It is quite intuitive once you know what it does. I'm still not sure what is it useful for. And I wasn't sure when I was going to do this video, so I just did a quick look. And I found somebody that was asking how to do exactly this. So I'm just going to take that opportunity to explain how a sine works. Yeah, let's do it. Let's take a look at how that works. And I'll see you at the end. Okay, so in an attempt to cover all the DAX functions, I stumbled upon this sine function and I thought, oh, what does it do? And it basically determines if a number is positive, negative, or zero. So it will return 1 for positive, 0 for 0, and -1 for negative. And I was wondering, when do you need that? So I just Googled, and I found here an example. He doesn't say what he needs, but it says that I would like to know if a category is positive or negative. So you would like to have 1 for positive, -1 for negative, and 0. So this is exactly what sine does. He says that he tried it, but it doesn't succeed. And I think I know why. So we will go through this exact case. So if we go into Power BI, the only thing I did was to reproduce his table. I just copied. And we're going to try the sine. I think this is what he tried to do. He went to new measure, sine as measure. And then if you use sine here and you try to put a number, which is it says values, values, it just doesn't give it to you. And I think it's because, I'm going to leave it as an error. I think sine needs to calculate row by row, so it should be a calculated column. And this is my guess. I have no idea this is true. I'm going to leave it like that so you know. So if we go back here and we create a calculated column and we call it sine as calculated column, sine, and then we put our values of vals. It just gives us the results that we want. Okay, so we can go in there, shift enter, and it works as a calculated column. Wonderful, right? So this is basically it. Simple function. It is super useful if you need it. So, I mean, here are some examples of trying to do the same thing that sine does. So it's good to know in case you need it. If you don't need it, well, now you know, basically. Okay. Okay, you've seen it. Now, do you have any other use cases that are more explicit? You know, because he said, I need to do this, but he didn't say why. What was he going to do with it? If you have to use the sine function, or if you have cases that you know, oh, that would be absolutely perfect, just let me know. I'm just super curious to know when would you use it. I haven't had that case. So, yeah, let me know. Let all of us know. I'll make another video, I promise. So, this is all for today. Enjoy your vacation if you're on vacation, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye!